Ito yung aking snack. Back to diet na naman ako. Ito ay protein powder. And then, binabad ko lang yung chia seed ng, pwede ibabad ng 10-15 minutes. And then, syempre, para healthy, maglalagay tayo ng yogurt. Zero sugar yogurt. And then, syempre, aking milk. Breakfast!
For lunch. For dinner.
And then-
Organic milk.
Yeah. Konti lang. And then, itong aking blueberries.
Walnuts.
Walnuts.
See, I know.
I like this. I really like walnuts.
Which is better, walnuts or cashews?
No, walnuts, my love. I don't have cashews.
No, I said which are better.
Huh?
Which do you like better? Oh, you make
I
it better.
think it's the same. It's the same. Tapos, siyempre, akaling hindi ako gumawa ng beef. Lalagyan ko din siya ng cinnamon para dagdag aroma. O, diba? At ito na ang aking healthy snack. Dinner na din.